Welcome back to Shormishta Cooks. My today's recipe is chicken duck bungalow. It is a very well-known recipe in Bengal. Chicken duck bungalow কথা আমরা বেঙ্গলের সবাই জানি। তো চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক আজকে চিকেন ডাক বাংলো কিভাবে রান্না করছি। The main ingredient of this item is 1 kg chicken which I had marinated with 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon turmeric powder. So I kept it in the freezer for 1 hour and now I have just put it out. I have taken some potatoes over here and some boiled egg. Hard boiled eggs are also needed, so I have also taken that. A fresh tomato puree, but this is complete and optional item. This item you may take, you may not take also. 2 chopped onion and some onion I have kept in this way. Some green chilies, some red chili, 1 bay leaf, there is 1 javitri, 1/4 jaifal, 1 large cardamom, 4 small cardamom, 2 cloves and a small cinnamon stick. This is 1 tablespoon coriander seed. This is 1 teaspoon cumin seed. This is 2.5 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. This is 1 teaspoon garam masala, and this red chili powder is the Kashmiri red chili powder which I have taken for the color. You know the Kashmiri red chili powder is not very hot, it is taken for the color of the item. And you will prick the potatoes with the fork in this way so that the spices are absorbed in it properly. দেখুন ডিমটাকে you will cut some slit, not deep slit, এতে ডিমেও মশলাটা ভালো করে অ্যাবজর্বড হবে। তো আমি আপনাদের আগেই বলেছি যে এই চিকেনটা আমি 1 hour marinate করেছি। It has been already 1 hour marinated inside the freezer. Now what I will do, I am adding 2 teaspoon mustard oil, and the whole item I will cook in mustard oil, and 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix it well. And after mixing the oil and the ginger garlic paste, I will again keep it for another 15 minutes while I will also start the next process. So see that it has been mixed well. Now in this way I will keep it for another 15 minutes. Let's go to the next process of the cooking. In dry karai I will just dry roast it, the bay leaf, the red chilies, cinnamon stick, the mace and jaifal, the small cardamoms, large cardamoms, all I am putting here, the cumin seed and the coriander. আমি জাস্ট ড্রাই রোস্ট করব। রোস্ট করার সময় মশলা যেন পুড়ে না যায় সেটা লক্ষ্য রাখতে হবে। পুড়ে গেলে মশলার গন্ধটা নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে, স্বাদও নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে। And the red chilies which I am dry roasting, these are not Kashmiri red chilies, these are normal red chilies. Now the dry roasted masalas I am putting in the blender jar. I will make a dry powder of it. আমি এবার মাস্টার্ড অয়েল নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, আলুগুলো ভাজবো। আগে একটু salt I am adding so that the oil does not pop up. Now I am adding the potatoes for frying it. A little turmeric powder has to be added with the potatoes. Now I am adding the eggs for shallow frying. Again add some little turmeric powder, and while sauteing the eggs also be very cautious so that the oil does not split up to you. So you see when you add the turmeric powder, the eggs turns yellowish and it looks good. So it is just a shallow fry. The eggs are done. In the same cooking pan, no need to change the cooking pan, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon mustard oil and in that 1 small cardamom and 1 small stick of cinnamon I am adding. Now I am adding the chopped onions, adding a little amount of salt and saute it till it turns brown. See, the onion is turning brown. At this point I am adding the tomato puree. Again saute it with the onion. Continuously stir it so that none of the ingredients should be burnt up and flame should be medium high. You see that the tomato puree and the onion is done. Now I am adding the marinated chicken. You have to mix the chicken with the entire onions in it, and this step is also important. Keep the flame high. It should be sauteed well. I am adding a little turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder for the color. Again mix it up. I will saute this till the chicken releases the moisture. Then I will start the next process. So till then sauteing is very important. The chicken and the onion have started releasing the moisture. Now at this time I am going to add the dry roasted masalas. The flavor of these dry roasted spices are very nice. Again adding another teaspoon of Kashmiri red mirch powder and mixing it well. Now I am adding the fried potatoes so that it starts boiling with the chicken. Mix it well from bottom to top so that the masalas do not get burnt. And I will cover the lid. I will come back after 5 minutes. See, the nice color is coming up. So really reddish, spicy also, and well cooked, not boiled fully. So at this point, when the chicken has almost released the water, now it is the time to add a little amount of ghee with it, and this is completely optional. You may avoid this also. This is only for the flavor. I am adding 3 slitted green chilies and some 1/4 size cut onions because it will make the taste enhanced. Mix it up. Now I am adding little water, and I have added the salt earlier also, so I am not adding salt now. At the end of the cooking, if I feel that some salt is needed, then I will add this. And the garam masalas. Mix it well. Put the flame in medium high and adding the fried eggs with it, a little bit of water, and I am closing the lid. In this way it will be cooked for another 15 to 20 minutes. So then after that I will come back and follow up the next process. Now I am checking this. Perfect. It's beautifully cooked. Smell tao khub sundor. You see the chicken is perfectly cooked and boiled. Everything is okay. And this is the rice consistency of the gravy also. So now I am heading towards the plating of the dish. So my chicken duck bungalow is ready and done. I have garnished it with green chili, the eggs and the coriander leaves, looking nice. So I think that you have liked the recipe chicken duck bungalow. The details of the recipe you will get in the description box of this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming video. We'll be back to you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.